Jamaican ghost stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. When there's confusion. Full story. A lady was attending a church in Yalla's Bay, St. Thomas. She was a heavy-set, dark-skinned lady. She got married late and started having children. When the children turned adults, she purchased a book and she and her husband started practicing. When they got to the end of the book, they realized that they have a covenant. They were required to sacrifice someone in order for the spirits to work for them. The husband volunteered himself to be the sacrifice, thinking that the spirits will raise him back from the grave. After he was sacrificed by his wife and children, he wasn't raised back up. People started to smell a foul odor of rotting flesh coming from the house. The police got involved, and they had to confess the whole situation that led to the man's demise. They all went to prison, but they're free now. They were church people who were supposed to be strong in the church. The woman was a Sunday school teacher. The spirits took over their lives, and now they can't go back to any church because they will chase them out. When there's confusion about who you serve, nothing good can come of it.
Like and follow for more. Remember to follow our YouTube channel. Link in bio.